Human psychology can help you get back together. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Cormont, your relationship expert. And today I want to help you to understand how human behavior, human psychology can help you get back with the one that you love. Because in a previous video, I told you there is no magic when we want to get back with someone that we love. We need to do real action. We need to consider why this action is really working and why this other action is not for me. So today, I want you to pay attention to this video. I will try to explain the best with my French accent, but these are 4 tips that you need to consider. First, I read this book, Influence and Manipulation, from Robert Cialdini. He is a celeb psychologist in the US. And in this book, he is talking about the fear to lose what we have. So why is it so important when we want to get back with someone that we love? Because today, your ex is thinking that you're not the best person for him or for her. But what happens if you change? What happens if today you can change your appearance, you can change the way you're living, you can set goals professionally, you can want to travel? What happens if today you're really happy in your life? Then your ex will have to lose something. And this is not what he or she wants. This is not how he or she is built, okay? So it's really important for you to understand that when you change the balance of power. You change the balance of the decision. And your ex will consider the new situation. Do I want my ex that I loved so much be happy with someone else? That's now he or she is the best version. He or she is the person that I was looking for. Will I take the risk to not come back? The answer is no. He or she will come back to you because of the fear of losing. This is for every human. Look at the babies. When they have some toys, they will play with the toy, and the new toy is coming. They will play with the new toy. But can you take the older one? Never. It's their toy, and they will let you know that you cannot touch their toy. This is how we work, okay? After a breakup, we are thinking that the grass is greener on the other side. But what happened if you changed? They will never let you go and they will come back to you. And this is why I stand for in these videos, and this is why I give you so much energy, so much knowledge that I can, because I know it's working. Also, second ideas, really important. We value what we don't have. This is always about the getting back process. If today you are telling your ex, I love you, I want you back, please, I understood, I know I will change, please. Your ex will look at you and say, I cannot value you because I own you, okay? But what happened if today you said, oh my God, I just registered to these salsa classes and it was amazing? That will reverse the whole situation. Do you understand what I'm saying? Just tell me in the comments if I'm clear or if you want me to give you some example. But we value what we don't have. We have the fear to lose and we value what we don't have. If you can understand these 2 concepts and control your emotion at the same time, wow, your love life will change forever. And you will never come back on this YouTube channel. Even if I love you, even if I want you in this YouTube channel, if you understand this concept, you're okay. You're gone. You're the best. You will change your life forever. Third ideas about human behavior. This is something I want to share with you, and I have learned this on the field because I'm on the phone with you all day, all night. I'm really working crazy with Coach Natalie, Coach Adrian, Coach Abby, Coach Steven, Coach Samira. We are a bunch of crazy relationship experts. And you know what? Your ex will test you. Your ex will test your boundaries to make sure that you have changed. I was playing with my nephew and I told him, you cannot do that. He said, yes, I can do it. He was testing me. So kids, adults, people, even your ex, even if it's the best person in this world, he or she will try to test you. So you need to be ready. And this is why it's not a good idea to listen at their words, because sometimes they want to make sure that you have changed. So they will tell you, for example, oh, you know, I was dating this girl, and you will go crazy. And you say, see, you don't have changed. So you need to control your emotion. You need to make sure that you will pass all the test, okay? If you can understand that this is human, it will test you, and this is sometimes unconsciously, it will test you, then you can understand how to get back with the one that you love. And the last tip that I want to give you about human psychology is you can have men, women, from 10 years old to 80 years old. We have one thing in common. Every human, we want to be happy. We want to be happy. And what brings you happiness? Surprised. So if you can surprise your ex, if you can make sure that every communication is cool, is fun, if you want to make sure that when you are seeing each other, you're just enjoying the present moment, there is no reason why he or she will not come back. Because we all want to be happy. We have the fear to lose. We value what we don't have. We test people, but we are also looking for happiness. So if you can enjoy so much the present moment, that will guarantee you that your ex will see you as a new person. That will guarantee you that your ex will be, I need you, I love you. And this is something really important that I want to share with you in this video. These 4 ideas about human behavior are really important because during the coaching session, I use these 4 tools to understand what action we should do, what action is for you, and what action are not for you, what we should avoid by understanding your ex, by understanding your psychology also. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I will be here with the team to answer every single comment. Give me a like for this video and please subscribe. Subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. It's not just about getting back together. It's about learning your mistakes, learning how to be happy, learning how to be in a special relationship because you deserve the best. Come on the website withmyexagain.com. You can book a coaching session with me. I will be more than happy to be your love coach, your relationship expert, but also you have tons of articles. And if you can learn just one thing with us, maybe it will change your love life. So come on with my ex again and I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Bye bye guys.